I'm trying to run faster than the horses to get a good view for everyone. So because it's so wet, the sand on the floor that gives the horses extra grip, that's kind of like being washed away. So this is the Blues and Royals, if you can tell with the red plumes on top of the helmets. And these are the lifeguards, because you can tell with the white plumes on top of their helmets. A bit wet, isn't it? Yeah, it's really wet. So now we're making our way down to Horse Guards Parade. Okay everyone, well we're gonna wrap up the video here. We are soaked through to the bone. We really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a like and we'll see you again in our next video.